Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today we got a fun one for you. We got the illustration box volume 8, I believe. This volume 8. Kid and Killer illustration box. We'll call it that. How about that? Let's rip into this bad boy. So, I went to my first locals tournament the other night, and he had some of these in stock, so I was able to pick up one of these bad boys. I was also able to pick up second place, strictly by pure luck, I'll be honest with you. I ended up, there was an odd number of people, so I ended up getting a first round bye, which I didn't know they consider that as a win. So that counted towards my first win. And then my first legit matchup, I was running a red-green Luffy. Definitely not optimized, I'll tell you that. Let's check this promo real quick. This alt art killer. Very nice card. This Captain Kidd though, man, this one is fire. The thing is legit. Nice. And then the illustration box. We got two OP15. To OP16. I think I'm gonna do the 16 first. But yeah, second match was I up against a my red-green Luffy up against a purple Katakuri, I think it was. I got very lucky on the last turn because I'm pretty sure dude was gonna end it all his next turn. I pulled the one card that I needed. I was able to rest his blocker and get lethal on him. And then the next match was a mirror match with the SR Newgate. Yeah, it was another red-green Luffy. But this guy had a very more optimized deck than mine was. So he was able to pull the W on that one. Morley, Black Hole, Rockstar, Doc Q, the Buggy, Vista, and Sakazuki. Alright, there's our two OP16, couple SRs. Let's see if we get a good hit out of this bad boy. Man, I did see one of the guys over there. He opened up one of these illustration boxes, pulled a manga and a SP out of one box. Crazy. Me? Really not so much. But that's alright. We're gonna keep trying. Ooh, nice. Got the Enel alt art. I'll take that for sure. Very nice. Alright, OP15 coming through. Last pack. So maybe these illustration boxes are loaded. Let me know if you guys ripped into any of these, if you had any luck. Might have to keep my eye out for some more. Thor, Black Rope Dragon Twister, to a Zoro SR. Sweet. I will take it. Then I purple Enel alt art. All right, guys. Appreciate you watching.